Hey friends, if you wish to fix the exception unknown software exception error 0xe0434352 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to reinstall Microsoft.NET. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on this option to turn Windows features on or off. Expand this .NET framework, check it, and then click on OK and select this option. Let Windows Update download the required files. So this should be checked. That's the most important part. The next solution is to update Windows to the latest version because security updates are critical. If security updates are missed, then you will face many issues. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution is to reinstall the application. And how will you reinstall the application? Let's say that the application is ShareX. So search for it in the Windows search bar and select Uninstall in the right pane and uninstall it. Once it is uninstalled, you can reinstall it either from the Microsoft Store or its original website. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to Microsoft Store and then search for ShareX. Go to ShareX here and then install it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.